Chapter 4. Normal operating procedures. Checks after landing. A. Clear off runway. Stop aircraft. B. Parking brakes on. Aircraft not moving forward. C. Select flaps to position 0. D. Landing lights off. E. Note flight time. F. Parking brakes off. Taxi to dispersal. Questions. Question number 1. What is the first step after landing and clearing of the runway? A. Select flaps to position 0. B. Note flight time. C. Stop aircraft. D. Turn off landing lights. Question number 2. What should be done after stopping the aircraft? A. Turn off landing lights. B. Select flaps to position 0. C. Note flight time. D. Parking brakes on. Question number 3. What position should the flaps be set to after landing? A. Position 1. B. Position 2. C. Position 0. D. Position 3. Question number 4. When should the landing lights be turned off? A. After noting flight time. B. After selecting flaps to position 0. C. After parking brakes are off. D. After taxiing to dispersal. Question number 5. What should be noted after turning off the landing lights? A. Parking brakes off. B. Flight time. C. Flaps position. D. Aircraft speed. Question number 6. What should be done before taxiing to dispersal? A. Turn off landing lights. B. Select flaps to position 0. C. Note flight time. D. Parking brakes off. Post your answers in the comments. Thank you.